Hi everyone, welcome back to Queen's Recipes. Today, we're making a fresh and delicious Greek salad. It's super easy, healthy, and perfect for any meal. Here's what you'll need to make this refreshing Greek salad: 1 cucumber, 2 tomatoes, 1 red onion, 1 green bell pepper, half cup Kalamata olive shelf, cup feta cheese, salt and pepper to taste, 3 tablespoons olive oil, 1 tablespoon vinegar, half tablespoon dried oregano. Let's start by preparing our vegetables. Chop the cucumber, tomatoes, onion, and bell pepper, then place them all in a large bowl. Next, add the Kalamata olives and crumbled feta cheese to the bowl. These give the salad that authentic Greek flavor. Now, let's make a simple dressing. In a small bowl, mix olive oil, vinegar, oregano, salt, and pepper. Pour it over the salad and gently toss everything together. And there you have it, a fresh, vibrant Greek salad, perfect as a side dish or a light meal on its own. Let's give it a taste. It's so refreshing. The flavors come together perfectly. Thank you for watching Queen's Recipes. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more delicious recipes. Let us know in the comments what you'd like us to make next. See you in the next video.